Hello guys, once again welcome back to my channel Mindframe YT. Today I am here with another interesting video. This video will be based on different topic. So for effective result, be with me till end. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And our topic is leisure time. What do you mean by the leisure time? Leisure time is the free time when one is not working or occupied. It simply means when one is not working in school, colleges, hospitals, or it means the one who is off duty, who is in the vacation, who is in the holiday. And is it necessary? Well, yes, because you will be step back physically and mentally from the stress. That simply means during your work you spend your physical energy and mental energy and you become lethargic. But during leisure time you are off duty. That means you will be in the relaxed state. You don't have to spend so much energy. Your mind will be in the calm. We know leisure time can be of short duration or long duration, and if it is of short duration, then you might just get yourself calm by taking bed rest. And then if it is of long duration, then what will you do? Well, if you have long leisure time, then you might feel bored, overthinking and wasted. Well, in this video I will tell some ways in which you can use your leisure time in more productive way and most importantly enjoy it. Then here are some ways. The first thing you can do during your leisure time is sketching or painting, because sketching is a relaxing distraction. When you engage yourself in sketching, you deviate from those things that you are constantly stressing in, and you stop worrying about it, and your stress level decreases and your mind become calm and your anxiety decreases, and it also increases your imagination and concentration power. Also importantly, it increases your hand-eye coordination and it can make you feel happy and inspired to do other work also. Now grab one sketchbook, a sketch pencil and draw a beautiful portrait of your closed ones and see how it feels. The second thing you can do is yoga and the meditation. Meditation means the mental practice where you train your mind to focus and not be distracted by unwanted thoughts. And yoga is a set of poses and breathing exercises. And the benefit of meditation is it increases the concentration level and decreases the overthinking, calms your mind, lower the BP and the heart rate. And yoga, in other hand, increases the flexibility of the muscle strength and its tone. As together, both relieve chronic stresses and improve the physical and mental health. And start this during your leisure time and how it feels and make it as a habit. Another thing you can do during your leisure time is learn new language. Learning new language pushes your brain to get familiar with the new grammar and vocabulary rules and learn new way of speaking. And you develop better communication skills and learn new idea and make new people as a friend. During traveling, it can make you easy and enjoyable, and it is also beneficial when you are migrating to new places and you can experience new culture of that places and understand it. Importantly, during your leisure time you can learn is the first aid. Remember, first aid is very important because it can be life-saving for some person. First aid is first and immediate help given to any person suffering from either minor or serious illness or injury. Learning first aid can make you confidence to care and act in emergency situation. For example, if someone is unconscious and not breathing, by the knowledge of your first aid, you can give rescue breaths and CPR and can save someone's life. Still, if not any progress, side by side you can call ambulance. That's another thing. But learning first aid is very important because it can prevent the case from being worse or complicated, and you can decrease the recovery time and the decrease hospital time. Learning today, you may save someone's life later. Another thing you can do during your leisure time is cleaning house and rearranging the house things like furniture. Psychologists note that rearranging furniture can give people a mood boost. If we clean house, rearrange the furniture, it opens up our mind to the new possibility and engage our creativity, and it provides the more satisfaction. Making change to your personal space is also a self-care. Remember, if outer harmony is made, then inner harmony is always maintained. Other things you can do during your leisure time is watching film or documentary, doing some gardening, learning and writing poetry, and reading and writing novel. You may be wondering, if I had time I would have done this or that. But if you are now in a holiday, at your vacation, at off week, at your most of your leisure time, why don't you? Now start this thing and let me know in the comment section how effective it is. It took me several hours to make this video. Did you like it? If yes, then hit like and share among your friends. Most importantly, please do subscribe my YouTube channel Mindframe YT. I will be back with new video very soon. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe.